We did another induction to fleet service and repair on a truck that someone bought. It had about 60,000 miles on it. So, looking at everything, we checked the differential fluid and it was low. And we took an oil sample and it was ugly. So we pulled the cover off and we found this little gem. Turns out this is a piece of the clutch pack in the differential positive traction unit. So we are probably going to replace that positive traction unit. Make sure you get induction to fleet service on new and used vehicles. Have a good day.